I never not so bad. And as a matter of fact, 5 weeks at #1 at the adult R&B radio charts. Thank you to my fans, my team, and all the stations who have played this record again and again and again.